Hey everybody, Dr. Jonny Bowden here, board certified nutritionist. When you're looking for a black seed oil product, you may notice that the percentage of something called thymoquinone, which is the key active molecule in the oil, can range wildly. It can go from like 0.5% to all the way up to 20%. So how do you know what's going to give you the best results? Should you look for black seed oil with 20% of thymoquinone or with 0.5%? Well, what the research shows is that the quality of black seed oil depends actually on two major compounds that are found naturally in the plant. Now, one of them is thymoquinone, which is desirable, and two is free fatty acids, which are not. Now, if the levels of the free fatty acids are too high, no matter what the percentage of thymoquinone is, the free fatty acids are going to increase the rancidity of the oil, and over time, they're going to lessen the efficacy of the thymoquinone. So for optimal benefits with black seed oil, you need to pay attention to the ratio between thymoquinone and free fatty acids. The specific ratio that's ideal is 3% to 2%. That's 3% thymoquinone, 2% or even less free fatty acids. And you can only achieve this delicate balance when you use freshly harvested seeds with a patented cold press extraction process. So check the label for these two items at these precise percentages, or you can just look for the ThymoQuin logo.